Okay, let's prepare a scene for rendering. First, we insert some object, this water here. You can loading that. Okay. Then a bottle. Find it. Yeah. I think that because they are very heavy dense objects, it's taking time to loading. It has water drop on its body. It's nice, as you can see. Yeah, we can turn it in this direction. Nice. Or if you want, you can insert some other object here. Mm. Find the object that you want. This, another water falling. That's big. You can holding shift and make it smaller. That's nice. Yeah. Can change the position like this. Another object, rotate it in, for example, this direction. Nice. Okay, we want to render it, for example. And after that, we create our background. First, insert a texture. Don't forget to insert the body. And as you know before, it insert as a decal. You have to make it feel nice. You can rotate it if you want. That's nice for me. And for example, another decal for this. Holding shift to make it smaller. That's nice. That's enough. Or create this texture for that. Make it feel. And we want to make it smaller. Repeat that. Change the hierarchy of the graphics, and because we want to appear this decal here. Going to material, drop water material for this, the beer material, for example, for this. You can turn on real-time rendering, but in this time we are going to the render tab. The last thing is a background. Yeah, click to insert that background, and the last thing is match image. We want to resize the canvas. If you want to create a light, multiple lights, we need the sun and other lights, and of course camera match perspective. It's working. Yeah. Oh, as you can see, it's not at the exactly right position. Yeah, this is our scene. We want to render it. We are going to render tab, and this is our render tab. Setting is very easy. You can change a file name, and it's very simple. It doesn't have any complex setting. In Dimension, everything is comfortable and easy. Make it a low, fast, or medium if you want. Yeah, like it medium. It's depend on your PC. If you have powerful PC, you can always set it in a high. The interesting part is it's export as a PSD, and it's create all the layer automatically, and you can change it on a Photoshop and hit render. You can save it to the one. Hit OK, and it's estimating the time here. And as you can see, it's creating the beautiful render for you, and it's estimating the time. And a percentage will be appear here that you know how much time do you have. Oh, it's a shadow is not good here, but I have to, because I rotate the scene. As you can see, the render in this software is very powerful. And here, okay, waiting for renderings finish, and I come back. Okay, render has finished and saved. it's everything. What is about 2 minutes? It's very nice and powerful, and it's saved in my desktop. And now I want to import it on Photoshop. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Okay, now I'm in the Photoshop, and the power of this render is here. As you can see, you can change the turn off on the background. You can work on this render. You can work on the shadows. You have depth of field information. Nice. You have object select ID. As you can see, you can change the color of each them. Nice. You have full access to all of this. Okay, this is Final Learner. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.